Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are fine and staying safe. Today we are studying Social Studies Class 5 workbook, page number 14, activity E. Complete the fact file about given continents. So there are certain questions which are being asked about 6 continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, North America, South America. The questions are about countries, ocean, language and religion of these continents. Most of the data you can find easily in your textbook while reading the chapter 3, but for some data you have to do some research. So I have accumulated it here and now we are going to read it. Asia. Countries in Asia, the major countries or some of the prominent countries in Asia are China, India, Japan, Iran, Qatar. You can write some other countries also. Ocean. The oceans which are connected to Asia are Arctic, Pacific and Indian Ocean. Language. The common languages which are spoken in Asia are Mandarin, Arabic and English. Religions most common in Asia are Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism and Sikhism. Next is Europe. The prominent countries of Europe are Vatican City, Italy, England, Germany, Spain. Here also you can write some other countries you are aware of which are located in Europe. Oceans to which Europe is connected are Atlantic Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. Languages commonly spoken in Europe are German, English, Italian, Spanish. Religions in Europe are mainly Christianity, Islam and Judaism. Next is Africa. Countries in Africa include South Africa, Sudan, Nigeria, Kenya, Libya. If you are aware some of other countries which are located in Africa, you can write them here. Oceans connected to Africa are Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Language majorly spoken in Africa is Swahili, and the religions most common in Africa are the traditional African religions, Christianity and Islam. Next continent is Australia. The countries which are located in Australia, in the continent of Australia, include Australia, New Guinea, Tasmania and Ceram. Oceans connected to Australia are Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Southern Oceans. Languages commonly spoken in Australia are English, Italian and Greek. Religions in Australia are Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism. So there is a diversity in terms of religion found in Australia. The next continent is North America. The countries most popular or most well known in North America are Canada, United States, Mexico, Latin America. If you are aware of some other countries, you can write the names here. Oceans connected to North America are Arctic, Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. Languages widely spoken in North America are English and Spanish. Religions observed in North America are mainly Christianity, Judaism and Islam. Next continent is South America. Countries located in South America include Brazil, Argentina, Colombia and Peru. Oceans connected to South America are Pacific and Atlantic. Languages widely spoken in South America include Spanish and Portuguese. And the religion mainly observed in South America is Christianity. So that's the fact file we have created for 6 of the continents in the world. The 7th continent, as you very well know, Antarctica, is not inhabited. It has no local population. Only people living in Antarctica are the scientists from many countries who are studying the land mass and the animal and plant diversity in Antarctica. So there is no local population in Antarctica, so we cannot collect this kind of data about Antarctica. So this fact file is only about 6 of the continents. That's all for today. Thank you.